What's good, YouTube? I'm out here finna eat. Skating vlogs, you know what I'm saying? Bussin'. Got the boy Manny in the cut. Quiet here too, you know. Food. Oh, I'm at the place called Birdcall. My first time eating here, you heard me? Quiet, so what's good to the vlog?
How y'all doing?
You know what I'm saying? This is our first time eating Birdcall, y'all. So look, they got the names on the screens.
Damn, I'm all last.
Oh, look at mine. It say smooth right there. It say smooth.
Hey, bro. Hey.
Oh, thank you. She got my receipt because I asked her to. Appreciate you. Thank you. You know, I gotta double check my shirt. Alright.
Are you on?
Alright. Just for y'all today, I got the grilled chicken Caesar salad with fries. I thought she made it a combo. I don't know. It look like she ain't making no combo. I'ma see y'all when the food get here. Okay, yo, so the food ready here. They got me a number 5. Yo.
Damn. That is good.
That mud finna bust, you hear me? It's finna bust a water over.
Some deja vu.
Man.
Molly. I mean, Molly. What's the name? If they made it twice, it's dumb.
Okay. Now it's time to unveil.
Oh, you got all the condiments? Alright, man. Well, have a good day.
These are fries, like busting. Chocolate milkshake. Well, how the hell this is $5? This bitch better be pressure. $5?
Got some ketchup and some mayo
Where you get that up?
over on the other side of
You got
the
ketchup? I got you.
hang thing.
Anything else you want? I ain't got you.
Oh, they put some in here too.
What the fuck is this?
I didn't get the combo.
Oh, so you get the combo?
You got a fucking sticker? No, I was supposed to get a combo. I don't know why I didn't.
Oh yeah, you did get the
How
combo.
much was yours total?
Like 16.
16? Mine was 16.
I don't know what this is for though. Thank you. Someone out there loves me. Ooh, that's hot.
Let y'all go ahead and see the burger, the fries, you know what I'm saying?
Cool. This one's cool, bro.
This is real Parmesan.
Right. I hate one now.
Huh?
That's it.
I don't know how you got that. You asked for it?
It was supposed to be honey mustard.
What'd you say? Oh.
Is it, I guess honey is sweet, so technically it's still sweet. But,
Oh. Oh, good.
yours? Good? Is yours good?
Birdcall, y'all got that.
What do you have on yours? Nothing?
I got that burger, man.
Oh, pickles. Oh, jalapenos?
You got it?
This one's spicy. This is a nice little kick.
Now this milkshake, this is regular. What you
Yeah,
know?
man. Who?
I'm fucking with it.
Oh, I'm gonna have to get up now.
Okay, but I was just trying to get up and go get you some more sauce. Go get some more sauce. We busting on what y'all fries cool. Need a little bit more salt though, Jeremy.
Hey, she put out like a whole tray of fucking salsa. Like she said, boom. And she had like 17 of them. I was like, damn. I don't know which one I got. I was like, honey sweet. She said, you want sweet mustard? I was like,
Hey, honey over there too?
Huh?
Hey, honey mustard too?
Probably. No, not honey mustard, but you know, I said honey sweet. I was trying to get like mango habanero, but that's what came out of me. Because I was still thinking about yours.
What a napkins at?
All the way over there too.
I got you. I got you.
I was not.
And then if you want another one, I got you.
Thank you.
If you want another one, bro, I got you too. But if you want to go over there and talk to her, go ahead, bro.
Well, I mean, when he went over there, I was gonna ask him for one at least. But you gave him like everything you had.
You didn't have her hair? I didn't know her hair.
No, that's cool. I just fucking go get up again.
Oh, you want something? Here. Bro, I got you.
Look, dude. Your fucking little ass napkins isn't helping the
Please
table.
grab a whole
I'll get you
bunch.
some. Yes.
Dang, it's a fucking
No, I appreciate it.
No, you
I didn't want to
don't.
I didn't want to see my
You don't
grapefruit.
appreciate it,
That's
bro.
why I didn't go.
But yo, you can feel this? No, I'm just kidding.
He said, don't appreciate it, man. Look, I
You got me
appreciate the
fucked,
gesture.
bro.
I need more napkins than this.
I'm messing with you.
I know.
Nah, fuck you and your little ass napkins.
Fuck
dude.
you, bro.
You're giving him all your napkins, so I couldn't even use one.
I gave you one, bro.
One. What if I wanted more than one? I just wanted to use one.
Here, I can give you this long
Look,
ass one.
alright, use half of it.
Here, I got no one for you if you can want it.
Thank you.
I'm gonna use one of yours napkins, so
Got mine at the table.
I appreciate it. Working out.
That's what's up.
Me? Hell yeah.
Ain't nobody enough for yourself.
The food good.
I brought enough for like
Food good.
me and, you know.
Not a prize.
Fries alright. I ain't tried them with the ketchup yet.
The strawberry. Fucking ass.
The what?
The straw.
The straw? How's the straw?
Trash. The straw is trash.
I can't get that shit. Like, I understand, you know. Save the turtles or whatever, but fuck, man. At what cost? I'm joking.
At what cost? What do you get? What do you get?
The grilled Caesar chicken sandwich
Nice.
with dill pickles, shredded lettuce, topped with mayo and fried Parmesan.
Fried Parmesan?
Sounds good.
Oh.
With a twist of sweet honey
Nice.
mustard on the side for the fries.
Bam.
Bros, bless it. Every time.
Yeah. Maybe ask you if it's better than Chick-fil-A. Is it good?
Well,
What'd you say?
Think about it.
Don't get carried away. No.
hold on, let's not go too far. I just versus Chick-fil-A? I don't know.
If I had like cheese and lettuce on mine with something else, this shit's like spicy and it's
When that food busting. Hey, what promo do you do for your YouTube?
None.
it's cabs, bro.
Oh yeah, that's that video.
Oh yeah, the one I.
You saw it?
I was told you I was gonna post.
Can't wait till I get better with the skating, man.
Hey. I need the comments. How many?
Well, I can make it 13.
No,
It's not right
I just
outside.
wanted to see if I answered to all of them already.
But y'all gotta forgive me, boy. I be goofy. I be in my own world.
I'll let it.
I don't care about what nobody think.
Just that
I'm just gonna be me.
Nice one, man.
You should just be you.
The trick you're doing is move flip or palm trick. Miller flip would be similar
trying to be something you're not.
ramp as a back flip flip.
Wait, what?
Like that's talking about the girl.
He's part of my bond team.
Is he? He front flipped that thing. He's actually pretty good though. Oh, Ricky. You win this one.
Why? Is it better than you?
No, not even that, because I was talking shit, and then he ends up with knowing his stuff.
I don't think he knows.
I don't know
A
shit.
monkey foot would be to the side.
Yeah, like that, right?
Fuck no. I ain't gonna like his comment.
I don't know, man. I could do these eating vlogs, skating / eating vlogs. I'm gonna bust it, man. I like to eat with y'all with me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all my YouTube community. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I might even fund some of these lunches. You never know. You never know. Let me stop it. Stop it. Unless I get like my boy Quiet and be sponsored. Ooh.
Not that hard.
Shit, it's not that hard.
Not that hard at all.
Really? I'm flying, bro. Just kidding. I know, man.
Yeah.
I'ma really try.
We gotta post a video every single day. Go your following.
Yeah, I know.
For the algorithm
Yeah.
to keep up with you or whatever.
I stopped like that. That's when you said that. I was like, wait, it's a chick with like, yeah.
Skates.
Yeah. I started to stop like that and I was like,
Wow.
oh, yeah, I haven't seen anyone stop like that.
That's crazy.
It's like OG.
Class stop.
Yeah, it's like OG, like, rank stuff.
Alright, YouTube. It's the end of the food vlog. Food portion of the vlog. God damn, hold on, man.
You ain't gonna eat your fries?
No, I was gonna finish it.
You said you done.
I'm done with that. I'm done on the camera. Look, man. This is the difference between camera and real life.
Dude, I swear he was about to pack it all up.
I was not finna pack it all up.
I was like, he said,
Dang, bro.
I was like, damn, he's gonna pack it all up. Let me just sneak a fry real quick. Like, I thought he was gonna like,
You don't say
bro.
it's the end of the food vlog and so after you fucking end it, bro.
oh,
You lying to your audience,
true.
bro.
Damn, you lying to the YouTube community.
Man, yeah, I'm sorry to put you on blast for but tell you called out.
said you got it.
Man, I'm not called that. Because I was really finna end the video. But I'm going to get on this little laugh too, bro. Like, what the heck, bro? Man,
I'm gonna skate back. It doesn't look like it's raining.
I mean, the floors.
I'm gonna roller skate.
Huh? Oh, roller skate.
Yeah, roller skate back. Sorry, dude. I know. You know, huh? I know. You're gonna be
See y'all later.
on skateboard. I know.